We now move to session 8, Family, Relationships and Conflict. In the previous session, we explored wealth and social responsibility. We saw that wealth is a test and that responsibility towards others is a defining part of human life. In this session, we move closer. First, the theme, family and social structure. Across all revelations, the family is presented as the foundation of society. It is within the family that values are first learned, relationships are formed, and character begins to develop. In early traditions, the family appears as a natural and essential unit. It proves continuity in identity and stability, but its structure is not fully defined. In the Moses tradition, family life becomes more organized. Roles are clarified, relationships are regulated, and responsibilities are established. Marriage, inheritance, and kinship are all given defined frameworks. The aim is to preserve stability and prevent conflict. In the teachings of Jesus, the focus shifts inward once more. Family is not only a structure, it is a space for moral development. Relationships are to be guided by compassion, forgiveness, and sincerity. The strength of the family is no longer measured only by order, but by the quality of relationships within it. In the Quran, this theme reaches full balance. Family is both structured and compassionate. Rights and responsibilities are clearly defined between spouses, between parents and children, and among relatives. Justice and mercy operate together. The family is protected as a unit, but individuals within it are also protected. So, across these stages, the pattern again becomes clear. Early traditions establish the importance of family. The Moses stage structures it through law. Jesus emphasizes compassion within it, and the Quran integrates all of this, creating a system where family is both stable and humane. The family is not only a social unit, it is the foundation of human development. The next theme about conflict, forgiveness, and reconciliation. Where human beings live together, conflict is inevitable. Differences arise, interests clash, and tensions emerge. Across all revelation, this reality is acknowledged, but more importantly, it is guided. In the early traditions, conflict is often presented through stories, disputes, injustice, and consequences that follow. The emphasis is on warning, showing what happens when conflict is not resolved justly. Then, in the Moses stage, conflicts become regulated. Laws are introduced to resolve disputes, to define fairness, and to prevent escalation. Justice becomes the primary tool for managing conflict. Then, in the teaching of Jesus, the focus shifts again. Justice remains important, but forgiveness is brought forward. Reconciliation becomes central, responding to harm with restraint and replacing hostility with mercy. In the Quran, this theme reaches full integration. Conflict is addressed through multiple levels: justice when needed, forgiveness when possible, and reconciliation is the goal. Human beings are encouraged to resolve disputes fairly, but also to rise above conflict when they are able. Restraint, patience, and wisdoms are emphasized. So again, across these stages, the pattern becomes clear: continuity. Early traditions warn through example. Moses' stage regulates conflict through law. Jesus emphasizes forgiveness. And the Quran integrates all of this, balancing justice, mercy, and reconciliation. Conflict is not eliminated, but it is guided toward resolution. In the next session, we continue this journey from relationships with society to the structures that govern the society. Thank you for listening.